Imagine a world where your drink doesn't just taste good, it becomes a piece of living art. That's the futuristic vision Suntory has brought to life with Lidris, a robotic system designed to create intricate 3D designs inside beverages. Unveiled at Expo 2025 Osaka, Lidris is a symbol of how technology, art, and hospitality can merge into a single, elegant experience. With this innovation, Suntory aims to turn everyday drinks into immersive, personalized art forms. Lidris is a compact robotic arm system, roughly the size of a coffee machine, capable of injecting edible inks into a specially formulated liquid to craft floating 3D illustrations. Unlike traditional surface latte art, the Lidris robot draws patterns and shapes within the drink, suspending images like logos, characters, and custom messages in mid-liquid. The ink, made from natural ingredients like tomato lycopene, is carefully controlled to ensure precision and stability. The result is a drink that isn't just tasty, it's visually mesmerizing. At the core of Lidris is a 6-axis robotic arm, equipped with a syringe-based nozzle system. This precision tool injects edible ink into a custom beverage base, whose density and viscosity have been optimized to support floating designs. The robot calculates the perfect injection point, flow rate, and movement to ensure each image holds its shape for over an hour, even if the cup is tilted. Through careful control of nozzle movement and ink timing, Lidris prevents distortion and mixing, enabling stable 3D forms to hover in the liquid. Lidris made its public debut at Suntory's Park Cafe at Expo 2025 in Osaka. One of its most popular designs is Mayako Mayaku, the beloved Expo mascot, which appears suspended in bright lemonade. Visitors to the cafe can witness the robot in action as it draws custom art in real time, offering a rare blend of performance and refreshment. The experience is not only interactive but also seamlessly integrated into the cafe workflow. Lidris can be operated by part-time staff through a simple tablet interface, and it runs on a standard 100 volts power outlet. What sets Lidris apart is its ability to personalize drinks at the moment of service. Whether it's a birthday message, a company logo, or a favorite character, customers can request a design and watch it materialize inside their beverage. This level of customization is a game changer for events, brand activations, and hospitality venues. It transforms drinks from commodities into conversation pieces, perfect for social media sharing and unforgettable experiences. While Lidris is currently being showcased in a demo setting, its potential use cases are vast. In corporate branding, businesses can offer drinks featuring their logos at promotional events. In hospitality, high-end bars and hotels could serve signature beverages adorned with customized 3D visuals. Educational institutions might use the system as a teaching tool to demonstrate principles of chemistry, fluid dynamics, or robotics. Even in the world of art and design, Lidris has a place as an interactive medium that blends taste and technology. Lidris is the commercial evolution of Suntory's earlier Lidris liquid drawing technology, which debuted at CES 2023. Lidris won accolades for its innovative approach to edible 3D design, using the same scientific principles to create floating images. Lidris builds on this foundation by adding robotic automation, precision control, and usability improvements, making it suitable for real-world applications like cafes and exhibitions. It represents the next step in a new form of liquid storytelling. Despite its high-tech nature, Lidris is remarkably compact. It fits on a countertop about 50 by 50 centimeters, requires only standard power, and connects via Wi-Fi to a tablet control system. The robot arm operates with needlepoint accuracy, managing ink flow and nozzle position to avoid distortion or overlap. The drink itself is formulated to maintain design stability, even after the drink is moved or slightly disturbed. Inks are food-safe and derived from natural sources, aligning with Suntory's commitment to health and sustainability. Suntory envisions Lidris as more than just a novelty, it's a new form of expression, merging the artistry of food presentation with the precision of robotics. In an age of heightened consumer expectations, it offers a unique way to stand out. The experience appeals to multiple senses. You see the image form, drink the liquid, and experience the novelty all at once. It also aligns with growing trends in personalized consumption, interactive retail, and technology-enhanced dining. As of mid-2025, Lidris remains a demonstration-only system, with no commercial release announced. Its reliance on specially formulated liquids and controlled environments makes it less practical for mass deployment without further development. The cost of the robotics system may also limit its use to premium venues or events. Additionally, proper training and sanitation protocols must be maintained, especially in food service environments. Still, these hurdles are common for early-stage innovations and are likely to be addressed over time. The future of Lidris is bright. With continued development, we could see it introduced in flagship cafes, luxury lounges, and global expos. A home or consumer version isn't out of the question, especially as production costs decrease. Suntory could also explore collaborations with artists, brands, and influencers to expand the platform's creative possibilities. In educational contexts, Lidris could inspire future scientists and artists by demonstrating real-time control of fluid media. Even more exciting are its possibilities in mixed reality dining, where digital and physical designs converge in the same space. Suntory's Lidris robot represents a bold leap into the future of experiential beverages. By combining robotics, food science, and visual design, it redefines what a drink can be, not just something to consume, but something to see, share, and remember. Though still in its early stages, Lidris is already capturing the imagination of tech enthusiasts, artists, and hospitality professionals around the world. As technology continues to reshape how we eat and drink, Lidris stands as a compelling symbol of what's possible when creativity and innovation blend perfectly in a glass.